What's going on, y'all? I got a programming challenge solution for personal information in C++. First things first, I need to get add some variables. So I'm going to put a few string variables. Okay, string. Make sure I spell string correctly. All right, I'm going to need a name. So the first variable is called name. I'm going to set that equal to is it John Doe. All right. And then the next variable is going to be called address. That's going to be set equal to 123 address. All right. The next variable is be the phone number. Oops. That's going to be set equal to another string 1234 dash 1234 1234. Something like that. All right, and then the last variable is going to be called major, and we'll just say, what is it, comp sci. All right, and that's the end of that information. So this is imagine this is input from the user. So in this case, we're just hard coded in there. We really don't need to process anything. So at this point, we just output this information back to the user. Put it in a line break there, and then end it with a line break. Then in here, I'm just going to output that information back to the user. So we'll say name, and then name. Now what do we got next? Address equals end-l. And then we got phone. Just like that. And then last thing we have is major. Alrighty. So let me clean this up a little bit. And let's see what I'll do. I'll just do this. Bam, bam. Alright, so basically what I'm doing here is making it look neat right here, and then making it look neat right there. It looks kind of uniform, so that looks good to me. Next thing I need to do is compile and run the program. So over here in the Explorer, I'm just going to right click on the file name, open integrated Explorer. I'm sorry, open integrated terminal. All right, so here's a terminal down here next. So to compile this, I'll say C++, and then the file name, enter. All right, and then to run the program, I say ./.a.out. All right, and here's the information printed to the user.